Hey everyone, here's an everyday ring or a cocktail style ring we designed for a client in Georgia. The design was based off the customer's stones and a rough sketch that they had laid out. In the end, it's a pretty common design that we've seen throughout the years, but we were glad to be able to help our client and their customer fit an open style ring to their gemstones. In the mounting, a 1 10x6mm Marquise and 2 4mm trillions will be set. What makes this style ring so appealing is the lines, if you will, formed by the open shank will always pull the viewer's eyes directly back to the stones. It's also clean, simple, and an elegant design as each individual section balances out each other. For this job, we were asked to design the model, print, and cast the ring using the customer's 14-karat yellow gold. From there, our client's jeweler will be setting and finishing the ring. But for the casting, it turned out great. Should be an easy buff to remove the surface level print lines and a quick final polish after setting the stones. If you are looking to have a ring designed around your gemstones or looking to have a ring updated to something more modern, contact us today. For anything else, feel free to leave us a comment. We're always more than happy to help, and thanks for watching.